cicadas. Bugs, and they fly. And the male sting, they come every 17 to 13 years. Well, there's two different kinds. Some come every 17 years, some come every 13 years. And if you look up the tree of theirs, I don't know if you can see them or not, they're just like covering the bark. And they're getting on me because they fly around and they get you.